In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF portfolio in Adobe Acrobat. This is going to be a straightforward and quick guide, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up Acrobat Pro on your computer. Acrobat Pro is a powerful tool for managing PDFs, and creating a portfolio with it is a breeze once you know the steps. So take a moment to start the program and get ready for the next steps. Now that you have Acrobat Pro open, you want to start a new portfolio. This is a specific feature that allows you to combine different files into a single PDF package, which can be handy for presentations, reports, or just keeping related documents together. To do this, you'll typically find an option under the File menu called Create. And within that, you should see PDF Portfolio. Click that to begin creating your new collection of documents. With your new portfolio started, the next thing you'll do is to add files. Look for the Add Files button, which is usually front and center once you begin a portfolio. Click this button and a dialog box will appear, allowing you to navigate through your files and select the ones you want to include. You can add text documents, images, spreadsheets, and more, so feel free to gather everything you need for your portfolio. Once you've added your files, you might realize the default order isn't quite right for what you're aiming to present. Don't worry, Acrobat allows you to drag and reorder your items easily. Simply click and drag any of the listed files to rearrange them. Having everything in the right order can make a significant difference, especially if you're presenting or sharing this portfolio with others. Now, while you're organizing your files, you might also want to edit file descriptions and thumbnails. This step is totally optional, but can be quite useful if you want to provide extra context or visual flair to each document within the portfolio. By customizing thumbnails, you can make specific files stand out, and descriptive edits can help provide clearer guidance on what each document entails or why it's included. The final step is to save your portfolio. This is crucial because without saving it, all of that hard work could be lost. Simply go to File and select Save or Save As, depending on whether it's your first time saving it or you're updating a previous version. Give your portfolio a meaningful name so it'll be easy to recognize later on. And there you have it. With these steps, you can create a polished and organized PDF portfolio in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether it's for professional use or personal projects, this tool can really help you compile and share your documents effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.